have sleeping beasts, about 20 active supervolcanoes, and they carry an extinction level threat. Instead of waiting for one to blow, what if we could steal their energy? What if we could actually tame them? Believe it or not, a NASA engineer proposed this. A plan to turn these apocalyptic powerhouses into planet-saving resources. The core idea is simple, yet wildly ambitious. Drill a ring of boreholes several kilometers deep. Not into the magma itself, but around its perimeter. Then pump cold water down those wells. It slams into scorching rock, flashes into superheated steam, and we pump that heat straight back up. The hot fluid carries enormous energy to the surface. And, over time, it would slowly cool the magma chamber itself. But this has to be surgical. One drill too close, and you could accidentally trigger the very eruption you're trying to stop. If we get it right, the payoff is enormous. A continuous, massive source of renewable energy. Geothermal power on an epic scale. And the ultimate, almost unimaginable goal. Over tens of thousands of years, removing that heat could very slowly cool the chamber enough to neutralize the supervolcano. Cooling the ones we know about isn't enough. To truly protect civilization, we must learn to manage every future supervolcano as well. Why? Because deep within Earth, mantle plumes keep rising, feeding volcanoes across the globe. These plumes will keep producing massive eruptions. A new supervolcano could form and explode roughly every 50,000 years. Learn to harness, not just fear, Earth's raw power. It could mean the difference between catastrophic collapse and humanity's long-term survival.